Do you have too many quilting ideas and projects? Are you feeling overwhelmed? Well, say goodbye to chaos and hello to clarity with the Ultimate Machine Quilting Planner. The Ultimate Machine Quilting Planner. It's a SMART planner. What's a SMART planner? SMART. It stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. The 30 pages are perfect because you can mix and match. You choose the pages that work for your specific project. My next project, it's a love quilt. I'm going to make a love quilt that's foundation paper pieced. I picked some pages specific to this project, like a to-do list, project lists, a practice tracker, a weekly and monthly calendar, as well as a page to start planning how I'm going to machine quilt it. Everything I need for my new love quilt. Customize your project with the SMART Planner. Select from 30 pages. Maybe you only need 2 pages from 30. Maybe you need 5 pages. Use whichever pages you need to help you organize each project. I love having options. I can be very specific on how I achieve my goals and how to track them. I love the SMART Planner, and you will too. Have you had many plans for quilt projects that are just in your head and never down on paper? Well, that can change with the Ultimate Machine Quilting Planner. The planner focuses on machine quilting ideas like ruler quilting, free motion quilting, but you can also use it to help track different parts of your project like fabric selection, make lists for different tools and supplies you need. For my love quilt, I needed to select fabric, which I had in my head. I knew what color theme I wanted. I just purchased some new hand-dyed fabric, and I needed to combine it with some existing fabric in my stash. So as I was making my list of things to do, it was to organize the fabric and then to inspect it for the different color variations because I was going to scan it to put it inside my design software. So I did all that, and then I printed out my foundation sheets. The love quilt is a foundation paper piece pattern, and I had to decide how I was going to foundation paper piece. So I decided that, and I knew the next thing was to fold each of the letters on my technique. And of course, as I'm thinking about it and writing things down, I realized I need to practice. I need to practice foundation paper piecing. I haven't done it in a while, so I put that on my to-do list, my practice tracker as well. Then, of course, I had to create a quilting plan. Am I going to stitch in the ditch? How am I going to baste it? There's some answers I don't have. Which machine am I going to use? Maybe the long arm, maybe my home machine. Lots of decisions for every project. And I want to get it done by a certain time. So I need my weekly and my monthly planner.